Hello all, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In today's demo, we will look into the product expiry feature. So product expiry is a very useful feature for pharmaceutical shops, bakery shops, sweet shops, or any kind of edible product shops or any shops where the product get expired after few days. So first let us enable the product expiry feature. We will go into the settings, business settings. Here we have the product tab. Here we have the enable product expiry. Let us check this one checkbox. So if you will enable this feature, we will see two different options present over here. First one is this add item expiry and manufacturing period. Second one is on product expiry. So let us first understand this one. So, do we want to add only the item expiry or do we want to add the item expiry as well as the manufacturing date? So if you want to add only the item expiry, we will select this one, add item expiry. If you want to enter both item expiry and manufacturing date, we can select this option. So let us first select this option, add item expiry. And what should happen to the product which get expired? So like, do we want to keep selling the product? If you want to keep selling the product, we can select keep selling. Or if you want to stop selling the product end days before the expiry, then we can select this option. Like if suppose we want to stop selling the product 10 days before the expiry, then we can select this particular option. So let me just select this option and save this. So I will go to the product, add a new product. Let me call this product as product 1. Product 1. And barcode will be this, pieces, brands is this, categories is capsule, something. Like we want to manage stock, so I will check this one. So here we will enter the price, it is 100. Okay, let me save it. So this add product screen is same as like previous one. Like if you enable this feature or if you don't enable this feature, the add product screen will be the same. So let us go to the add purchase. Here I will enter the reference number as blank, purchase date, purchase status is received. I will enter the product as product 1. So here you can see like it is asking me for the expiry date, like what is the expiry date for this particular stock. Like every stock, like product 1, if I purchase any stock of product 1 today, it will have a different expiry date than which I purchased after 1 month or like before 1 month. So here I have to enter the expiry date here. So I will save it. Okay, so again let us go to the list product and search the product here. So if we enter the opening stock for this product, then also like here if suppose I am entering the opening stock quantity remaining is 10, then also here it will ask me for the expiry date, like what is the expiry date for this opening stock. So here I can enter any expiry date for this opening stock. I will save this. Let us go to the settings again. I will enable this option, add manufacturing date and expiry period, and update the settings. We'll go to the add product again. Let me add another product, product 2. Product 2. Okay. So here you can see like here it is showing me expires in. So what it is, what why it is showing this option is like when we will enter the manufacturing date while adding the purchase, so it will automatically calculate the expiry date based on the expiry period. So if suppose I am entering the expires in as 12 months, so based on the manufacturing date, it will automatically calculate the expiry date. So let me enter the expires in as 12 months and Okay, let me go to that purchase again. I will add the purchase for this product 2 now. Receive product 2. So here you can see like it is asking me for the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date. If I will enter the manufacturing date as today's date, it will automatically calculate the expiry date based on the like expiry period which we provided while adding the product. I will save this one. So like it's a very useful feature, like based on the manufacturing date, it will automatically calculate the expiry date. So like we will have the information about the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date. So let us go to the reports, and here we have the stock expiry report. So here in the stock expiry report, we can view the report of all the stocks which are getting expired in, like which are already expired, or like it is getting expired in some weeks, or like in 15 days, or like in 6 months, or like getting expired in a year, or like we can see all the products which are already expired. So here it is showing me the like the SKU location, the stock left, like what is the stock left for this one, what is the lot number, like if we have the lot number future runnable, it will show me the lot number, expiry period, expiry date, and the manufacturing date. So from here like we can know which all product. So like if you want to know which all product are expired, I can click on the expired here and it will show me like this particular product is already expired. The stock left is 153. Okay, so let us go to the POS screen here. In the POS screen, I will enter the product name. So when I'm entering the product name, like after I have entered the product name, it is adding the product here. So like here you can see like it is showing me two different options. Like it is showing me to select the expiry date, like which expiry date, like which product do I want to sell now, the product with which expiry date. Like if you want it to be randomly selected, then we can select, then we can like keep it as lot and expiry. If you want to select this one, we can select this one. If you want to select this one, we can select this one. So if we are selecting this one, like for this, the product which is getting expired in 2021, we have only one stock left, which is getting expired in 2020, like we have only 10 stock left for this one. And like if you will not select any of this one, like it is showing me like we have 11 stock left for this one. So let me select for 2021. I will click on the cash button. Okay, so here you can see like it is not showing me the expiry date in the invoice. Like if you want to enable displaying of this expiry date, what we can do is like we can go to the settings, invoice settings, invoice layout. Let me select the layout here. Okay, so here you can see like here it is showing me so product expiry. If I will check this checkbox, let me just make the design as elegant. I will update this one. Okay, let me add the product once again. Product 1. So here I am selecting the expiry as 2020. So I will add 10 quantity to be sold. I will click on multiple pay, or you can select the cash. I will click on the cash. So here you can see like it is showing me the expiry, like it is getting expired on 7/17/2020. So like the customer will know like when the product is getting expired, like all the informations will be present in the invoice. So that's all for the expiry date. Like it's a very useful feature for pharmaceutical stores, for like any kind of bakery shops or any kind of edible shops where the product get expired. Thank you.